Hey everyone, I'm Dom and welcome to the coolest student accommodation in town, Scape Victoria Street. Designed by students for students. Let me show you why you'll be feeling right at home. Seriously, if you're living in Melbourne, one of the coolest cities around, your stay's gotta match the vibe, right? And the feeling doesn't get much more Melbourne than this. Let's start off with your room. Private double studios sound good? Yep, we've got them. With or without those Insta-worthy green balconies. Need to hit the gym? We've got you covered. Want to catch a movie? Our cinema room is where it's at. And when the sun's out, head up to our rooftop terrace for those post-study hangouts. And check this out, we've got an all-inclusive meal offering at Scape Eats, in a space that's sleeker than your favourite downtown restaurant. What's even better is that breakfast, lunch and dinner are all included in your rent. And don't worry, all dietary requirements are accommodated for. And let's talk location, guys. We're right across from the stunning Carlton Gardens, minutes away from Melbourne CBD and super close to all the top universities. Like think RMIT, University of Melbourne, Monash, Victoria Uni and La Trobe. And of course, along with Melbourne's coffee culture, there are plenty of cafes around town. So what are you waiting for? Dive into the urban student life at Scape Victoria Street. Book your spot today.